Well, here we are, back with the 1962 Kenworth. This truck sat for over 30 years and it shows. Every single component has been a fight, but the goal remains the same, to bring this classic cab over into the modern era. This phase of the project is one of the most mechanically intensive yet. We're tackling the foundation, the suspension, and finally giving it a face. With the new suspension in place, it was time for the part I was most excited about, installing the brand new, custom fabricated bumper. This wasn't just about looks. This was a statement of intent. This new bumper is stronger, heavier, and built for the powerful truck this Kenworth is going to become. Lining it up and bolting it on was a meticulous process, but seeing it mounted, it completely transforms the front end. The second major job was the leaf springs. After more than 30 years of neglect, they weren't just worn out, they were completely seized and sagging. Getting the old shackles and bolts out was a nightmare. I spent hours with penetrating oil, a sledgehammer, and a torch, just fighting to free everything. Now, after all this work, I've come to a major crossroads. I had to make a final decision about this truck's future. Do I keep it 100% original, or do I fully commit to the modern, powerful workhorse I originally envisioned? It's a huge commitment, and I'm a bit worn out from this push, so I'll pause here. I'll see you in the next episode, where we start on the drivetrain. I'm sure you'll love it.